Welcome to the Crochet Beginner series. If you've ever looked at a beautiful crochet project and thought, I wish I could make that, then you're in the right place. In this series, we'll start right from the basics, one step at a time, and you'll build the skill and confidence to create beautiful handmade projects of your own. So let's get started. Hello everyone, my name is Ranjitha and welcome to my channel. This is episode 5 of our crochet series. Previously you've learned to chain, single crochet and half double crochet. Now we're going to learn double crochet. The double crochet stitch is written as DC in crochet patterns and is one of the most commonly used stitches in crochet. Because it's taller, your work grows much faster than with single crochet or half double crochet. It creates an open soft fabric that's ideal for shawls, scarves, blankets, cardigans and summer tops, granny squares and many decorative projects. Once you learn the stitch, you'll be able to follow a huge variety of crochet patterns. Previously, we've done 2 rows of single crochet and 2 rows of half double crochet. Now in the next row, we're going to insert a hook into the V stitches that we've already made. And as I always tell, we are going to insert into both the loops of the V. And now in this we are going to start making our first double crochet. We've already chained 3 and now in the first stitch or the 4th chain from the hook, we are going to make our first double crochet. So don't be confused. So we are just making our first double crochet. For this we are going to yarn over just like half double crochet, insert and pull up a loop. I'm going to repeat. We are going to yarn over and insert our hook, yarn over, insert our hook and pull up a loop. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. We are going to yarn over and pull through only 2 loops. Remember, in half double crochet we were pulling through all the 3 loops. In this we are going to first pull through 2, again yarn over and pull through the next 2. Congratulations, you've made your first double crochet stitch. I'm going to repeat it. Yarn over, insert your hook and then pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through just 2. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. We are going to yarn over and pull through all 2. So this is double crochet and it is referred to as DC in your patterns. I'm going to slowly finish up this entire row. I'm going to repeat the same double crochet stitch all across till the end of the row. I'm going to insert, yarn over, insert and then pull up a loop. We have 3, yarn over and then we are going to pull up through 2, yarn over and pull through both the remaining 2. So this is our double crochet stitch, slightly different from our half double crochet stitch. In half double crochet we are going to yarn over, pull up a loop and then yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. But in this we are only going to first pull through 2 loops and then again yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Once you practice this, it is a very quick stitch. You will be finishing your project much quicker with a double crochet stitch, and there are so many patterns. You can make flowers, you can make granny squares and many more projects that quickly whip up with a double crochet stitch. There are so many other variations also in the double crochet stitch. We will be learning them slowly in the upcoming videos, but for today this is the simple double crochet stitch. I'm quickly finishing up the entire row, and like I always tell you, if you're a beginner and trying the stitch for the first time, firstly repeat while you're doing the stitch. Repeat the steps. For example, just say yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 and then yarn over, pull through the other 2. When you keep doing this, there is a very less chance of you making mistakes. Also make sure that you count every time you are finishing the row. This will avoid missing stitches, or sometimes you end up inserting the hook in the same stitch twice, so you will avoid such mistakes. Now we have come to the end of the row. As I always tell you, don't forget the last stitch. This will give you a simple, even, straight edge to your work. If you miss the stitch, your work will start slanting. Now we finished one row. As you can see, the stitches are taller and more flexible and there is slight space in between the stitches. Let's compare the stitches. Single crochet is short and dense, half double crochet is slightly taller, and double crochet is the tallest of the 3 and creates lighter, more open fabric. Now we are done with one side. Let's flip our work like turning the page. So for that I'm going to chain 3. This will be our turning chain. Remember, chain 3, these do not count as a double crochet for us, and I'm going to now flip my work. Now I'm going to insert my hook into the first stitch. For that I'm going to yarn over and then insert my hook into the first stitch and pull up a loop. I have 3. I'm going to yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. With little practice, this repetition is going to become very easy and you're going to whip up this stitch in no time. So we are going to quickly finish this row as well. With that we will finish our second row of double crochet also. Here's another small mistake that often beginners do. They end up pulling all through all the 3 loops at once. So just repeat 2 and 2. This will avoid this mistake. And here we are into the last stitch. Like I always tell, don't forget the last stitch. This is going to give you a very straight edge. If you miss the last row, you're going to have a slanting work. So this is our swatch here. You can clearly see the difference between the double crochet and the other stitches. Single crochet is short and dense, half double crochet is slightly taller and softer. Double crochet is the tallest of the 3 and creates a lighter, more open fabric. Different projects need different stitches, and that's what makes crochet so creative and versatile. Congratulations, you've now learned the 3 most important basic crochet stitches: single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet. These stitches are the foundation of hundreds of crochet projects. In the next episode, we are going to learn about treble crochet. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with someone who wants to learn crochet. I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, bye.